we will have to nip the entanglements because we don't want August entangling us as well, like he did with Jada Pinkett's weed. Okay. Whoa. You see, put it on top of this one for so long, and let's pull this like this. Oh, and then getting out of this thing is not smooth. Put this thing here. Gee, this thing is heavy. This thing is heavy. I want to show you this before we even get the sweet potatoes out. And I'll show you this. Look at this. Look at that. See there. See there, they already are sticking out of the soil. So we should have came in here long ago. Get these guys out. But anyway, let's go. Let's empty this guy. Ready? We need to dump this in here. Yeah. Or we dump it on the floor. Yeah. We'll get a spade and put the soil bed. Let's go. Like that. Like that. Yeah. And let's flip it. And flip it. Wow. Right. Okay. Oh, ants are crawling all over me. Let's pull it out and see. Let's pull it out and see. Beautiful. Nice. Beautiful. Look at those roots. Look at those roots at the bottom there. Look at those roots. They're telling me that we're going to be getting a lot of yummy, yummy, yummy sweet potatoes. Okay, we start breaking in. See how nice this soil is breaking. There we go. I hate it when it has holes like this.